the Lord. In the last days, Christianity, Paul maintains, will become so watered, so ordinary, so worldly, that the believers will no longer endure sound doctrine. They will no longer love to hear sound message. They will no longer like to hear messages that will change their lives. They will prefer teachings and ways of the world to teachings and ways of the kingdom of God in the last days. In other words, Paul is saying, in days like this, in times like these last days, people will no longer tolerate sound doctrine or teaching of the Bible. They will rather sponsor or give financial support to ministers and ministries that teaches what they want to hear.